This is in base pump.
Correct.
This the green line is the safe functions with tags as you see. You can have different tags, old tag and new tag as the or clicked yesterday.
Okay. So good. That means we are going to see the TSAH 100602. So guys, those people who are not familiar, let me share my screen so that I can take over from Ajaruddin. So guys, if you are able to see my screen, are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So guys, as Ajaruddin mentioned that we have a pump here, and the green part, actually we have done the node markup or the SIF identification in the new PNID. What does it mean by old tag? Old tag means this was reviewed in the HAZOP. So since we have mentioned that we are going to use the HAZOP, so we will use the old tag and in the SIL assessment also. And if you wish, I can make one table T for the new SIF number and the old SIF number. So the and what is the rating, so that you don't have any confusion during your review of the report. Am I right, Ajaruddin? I will make a table. I will say old tag number.
Yes.
I will say new.
Yeah, this markup is maybe enough to avoid any confusion with you.
Yes, correct. And I will put this into the report so that this will avoid any confusion for the reader. So guys, what we have done, we have taken all tag, and we have gone for the HAZOP, and we have identified all the causes which is triggering the TSAH. So now I will go for SIL. Okay. So guys, I will explain you about this software. This software is PHA Pro, and PHA Pro has been used for the HAZOP. So we have taken the same approach, and we have extracted this information from the HAZOP. And if you have or you want to challenge this thing, we are definitely open. And I would encourage, please challenge me because we want to make it better. So if you see column number 1 is a SIF number, column number 2 is a SIF description, column number consequence. This is the major consequence what we have taken from the HAZOP. And if this does not realize, this will create asset damage. Asset damage is asset 1. We have taken 1 from the TMEL table. This is TMEL table. And after that, as we mentioned that there is conditional modifier, but conditional modifier is only applicable only for the people. For asset, we always take none. We always take none means 1. Then we have identified this initiating event from the HAZOP. And after that, we will identify the appropriate category of the IE type, and then we will define the probability. So once you select the appropriate IE type, the probability will come automatically here. I have calibrated it. I will explain you. If I go here, if you see here, guys, initiating event. These all are the initiating event I have taken from the previous workshops, and I have calibrated from the table of the SSCRMST 05 and IEC 61511-508. If you want to challenge me, I would be happy. So if you don't happy with the number, we can go for the correction on case-to-case basis. I will again go for workshop. After this, enabling event is none for our cases, as we discussed in the beginning, and we will select none from here. I'm just explaining you, then we'll go for that. Then we will identify all the IPL. If you see on the right side, this is the independent protection layer. We will identify the IPL for each causes, each initiating event. And if this is IPL, we will select appropriate category. This appropriate category, I have again calibrated the table. If you go in the setting, this is the IPL. Where is IPL? Yeah, types of IPL. So this is the IPL table. And I want you to challenge me if you are not happy with the number. And just to make you confident, this number has been taken from the standard, has been taken from the HCRMST. Okay. I will come here. Then we select the appropriate IPL, and then we get the RRF and we get the SIL ranking. And if we feel the SIL ranking has got something, we put recommendation, we'll put some comments, and this is the remark section. If you have got some assumption, we'll put in the remark section. So this is the introduction of the SIL assessment table. I will undo it. Okay. So guys, now we are going to start our discussion. As Al-Din has mentioned that TSDH 100602. TSDH. So this is TSDH or TSAH? As Al-Din.
Yes.
TS. Okay. So I will correct. But in the HAZOP, they have considered TSDH.
TD. It's correct.
Okay, HAZOP is correct. So I will go for HAZOP. This is the HAZOP sheet. I will go here. I will see here. Okay, in HAZOP, they have considered TSDH, correct? So we'll put the same terminology, right, Azaldin?
Yes.
And I think ADNOC team is okay, right? ADNOC team?